Hi. So today we're going out, okay? I hope you are dressed because, yeah, I'm almost ready. We're going to meet up with Stephanie. We will meet her, okay? It's actually been raining all morning. This is my outfit of the day. It's a dress from my brand, of course, from Pick Style. But I'm thinking, because the weather is cold, I'm thinking of wearing like a jacket, like a cover-up jacket. I just need something that will cover me properly because small thing now, cold don't enter my body. And then you now, you'll be there laughing at me. You will not tell me sorry. I'm sweating now. I promise you it's cold, all right? I feel like every time I have my bath, I always just sweat. See waist. What waist? Bracelets. Which one? I don't know. I'm confused. I think I'm feeling this one more. Yeah. For the scent of the day, we're doing these two perfumes. Like these two put together. Just get it out. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. But yeah, better. It smells so good. This one puts a pop of color. It's pink. My leg. This is the platform I'm wearing. My sister chose this. For my bag, I'm carrying this bag. Now this is my final fit. What do you think? Do you think I look sweet? I'm sweating so much. We need to go now. We got here just on time. Although she messaged me to say that she will be, say, 30 minutes late. You know, so that's fine. You know, it gives us time to just sit down and relax. I'm trying to find the ice cream place. I've seen lots of videos. I'm probably going to ask. Let's ask. Good afternoon. Please, where can I find where they sell like the bubble tea and ice cream?
Okay, bubble tea.
Yes. Is it Binju or Bing something? So I already passed it.
Yes.
Hey, whoa.
See the Binju.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
The bubble tea is down there.
Yes, this here I'm looking for. Okay. Thank you. Guys, I literally walked past it. So it says cool. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello. Everybody is smiling. You really know disturbing. Great. I need to wait for someone, but maybe I should try something first. So this is bestseller. If it's not bestseller for me, I'll come and fight you. Just so you know. Let me just go with that. I want to fight somebody today. Yes. The medium or the large? No, I want large. So our fight will be large. It's not bad.
So we are not going to talk. Okay, that's
Good.
So which one do you want? This one and this?
Yeah,
so let's do half and
the only
half.
options, right?
Yes.
Because I think that's the same thing then. Okay.
So half and half. Yeah. We're eating here.
This is our first time meeting, and I'm so excited. And she's just as she is on the internet, so just so you know.
I cleared my own because I was freaking hungry.
The food was really nice. This firewood jollof.
We just finished eating now, but we're going back to the tea place.
So now that Steph is here, I decided to try this one. This is the iced tea something. What's this one called? Blueberry fruit tea. And then this is the mulberry sundae. Steph and I are having the same thing, this one. But then because the one I had earlier was the tea, so I'm not trying this one. I decided to try this. I'm sure some of your names are here. How can you come here to break up with your babe? It's probably you now that came to break up with your baby. You now wrote it here. Shame.
I went to try blonde hair.
This is nice. Try it.
This one.
Okay. Mulberry. So when you come, try this one. This is so nice. Look. And they're like actual mulberry in it.
Yeah.
I bet that sugar. Okay.
to go to Soul Beach. Look at the road.
The car is coming, no.
How can you enter this?
Why this man enter this
How
thing?
can you enter this? Say you won't go beach.
It's not get stuck there. Oh.
Wait till be this.
Na Benza now. See, imagine.
Oh my God.
Imagine. God forbid.
Oh my goodness. They collect money.
Thank you.
We tried our best to see if we could go to Soul Beach, but we couldn't because the road was flooded. So now we're here at, how do you pronounce this beach? Kima. So this is Kima Beach. Again, like since they did this whole coastal road thing, coming to the beach has just been really stressful, especially coming to the beach on this axis. Thank you.
All this ceremony is not
It's too much. It's too much. Too much. The Serena is too much, I beg. Too much. I feel like they've taken away the whole vibe.
Yeah.
The beach vibe. This one is not giving beach vibe at all.
It just feels like the game gets down. I'm so pained.
I swear. We they see water, I mean, we know they see water. We they see water. Stephanie is right there, upset and pissed.
I am very, very mad.
We're leaving. And to think that the gate fee here is 10,000 per person.
Yeah.
I don't think we spent up to 10
No,
minutes
we didn't spend
inside
up to 10 minutes.
We didn't spend 10 minutes inside there. If you want to have a party, like with your friends, and you want something private, like just you and your friends, then maybe that works. And Soul Beach was just right beside it. We didn't know that there was like an entrance here. We'd have just walked in. Yeah, we didn't know. Wow. We're leaving. Where are we going to?
La Taverna.
La Taverna.
La Taverna.
Yeah.
Her favorite pasta spots. That's
You confess. I will initiate you the way they initiated me. I said I went to Abuja. I was thinking about for 6 months, thinking about one salad. I tried to recreate it.
I just realized I misplaced my jacket. I think it fell off at the beach.
Oven chicken pasta. And then what's it called? The salad. Do you want salad?
Yeah, I don't mind. It has like this sour aftertaste.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I'm having the creamy pasta. And Steph is having like the tomato base.
Yeah.
So she has been talking about this pasta. She's like, Better, I want to initiate you. Oh, but it actually smells really nice.
Or you can tell me.
Oh, with cheese.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is nice.
What did I say?
Yeah, this is
What have I been saying?
oh, this is nice.
This is mine. If you like it, you're just happy.
It's the cheese for me. They are not stingy with it.
That's it.
Yeah. I had a great time.
And because we didn't really have
We
any
didn't plan what to do. Yes.
We just went with the vibe.
Yes.
And it was amazing.
Yeah. I've had a great time with Stephanie. Oh.
That is leaving
We
me. I
literally
liked
spent the entire day
together. Yes,
Yeah.
we did.
That was fun.
What's your right?
Yeah, let me find it too. Stigma that even comes with it is another thing.
Yes.
I had a great time today. I hope you had a great time too. I need to even remove this stupid band from the beach because that's why I lost my sweatshirt. I'm so pissed. I'm so pained about it. But anyway, I had a good time, so I don't want that to ruin my mood. But yeah, thank you for coming with me. Have a good night rest. Okay, I love you. Remember that. Okay.